Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the insulator heat shield on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. Unthread the wing nuts counterclockwise to detach the air filter cover. Remove the air filter. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the two mounting bolts, securing the filter base and carburetor. Next, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the insulator. Rotate the insulator to remove, and detach the old heat shield. Install the new insulator heat shield by aligning it on the insulator with the small hole at the bottom. Position the assembly on the engine and thread the mounting screws. Realign the baffle in the air filter base, then insert the bolts. Position the carburetor intake gasket on the bolts. Align the carburetor, followed by the carburetor outlet gasket. Now position the assembly and thread the mounting bolts. Replace the air filter. Realign the filter cover and thread the wing nuts to secure.